Hi, welcome to PerfectGlassWindowCleaning.com. My name is Aaron. I'm the owner-operator of Perfect Glass Window Cleaning. If you want to get straight to it, go ahead and click on the Schedule Appointment button right below this video, and it'll take you to Acuity Scheduling where you can safely enter your address, phone number, and get on our calendar. You can see the calendar live. It's really nice. And go ahead and just pick how many windows you think you might have as a guesstimate. If you don't know, if there's a lot, just put 50, 40. Most homes between 3,000 and 6,000 square feet are going to be between 40 and 80 windows. So just guess. It doesn't really, all that does is block out the time to do the job. When I get there, I'll count them all up, give you the exact price of what it's going to cost, make sure you're comfortable and confident with that. And if it's a go, we'll just go ahead and get the job done right then as soon as possible. I am insured. And more importantly, I've been doing this for 18 years. I actually really like what I do. It's quite a bit of an art to it. It's been a lot of fun. This has been a lifestyle business for me. I know what kind of clients I want. I really literally don't take everyone, especially now down here in San Diego. We're looking for mostly residential homes. Between 40 and 80 windows is just the sweet spot. It's just the workflow goes really well. We charge $10 a window for outside only. Screens are $3 if you want to get the screens done. We can also do the insides. Of course, we offer solar panel cleaning, skylights, deck glass, mirrors, any of the glass you need done, let me know and we'll just add that on to the menu. We can go up to 3 stories on the outsides. Other than that, if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text.